Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your GitHub Readme file. This is a great way to make your repository more visually appealing and help visitors understand your project better through screenshots, logos, or diagrams. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the specific repository where you want to add an image to the README file. Now, locate and click the Add File button near the top of your repository page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Upload Files. This will take you to a new page where you can upload your image file directly to your repository. On the Upload page, click Choose Your Files. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate to wherever your image is stored. Select the image you want to add and click Open. The file will now be staged for upload to your repository. Next, scroll down and click Commit Changes to finalize the upload. This commits your image file to the repository, making it available for use in your README. Give it a moment to process and save the changes. Now comes the important part. Click on the image you just uploaded to view it in GitHub's file viewer. In the upper right corner of the image view, you'll see 3 dotted lines. Click on those dots, and from the menu that appears, select Copy Permalink. This permalink is the permanent URL to your image that will need to embed it in the README. With the permalink copied, click the Code button in the upper left corner to return to your repository's main page. Scroll down until you find the README section displayed at the bottom of your repository files. You'll see a pencil icon next to it, so go ahead and click that pencil icon to open the README editor. In the editor, click where you want the image to appear and type the markdown syntax for an image, which is exclamation mark, followed by open bracket, alt text, close bracket, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The alt text is a description of your image that helps with accessibility. Now paste the permalink you copied earlier between those parentheses. This tells GitHub where to fetch the image from. Finally, in the upper right corner, click Commit Changes. A confirmation dialog will appear, so click Commit Changes once more to save your modifications to the README file. Your image will now be visible in your repository's README, making your project documentation more engaging and informative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.